teams up with LEGO for a bold and playful Dunk Low release, dropping this August in grade school, preschool, and toddler sizing. The LEGO X Nike Dunk Low G's, retailing for $105, merges classic sneaker style with LEGO's signature creativity. The upper features a glossy white base outlined in thick black lines, mimicking a hand-drawn, comic book aesthetic. Black stitching and details give the shoe a unique, graphic look, resembling pages from a LEGO instruction manual. A red LEGO logo tab on the tongue and dual-branded insoles add unmistakable branding, while black accents on the swoosh, heel, and sockliner provide contrast. The pair also includes a special LEGO-themed shoebox and insoles stamped with official LEGO markings, highlighting the authenticity of the collaboration. Though designed for kids, the pair appeals to collectors alike, combining fun design with dunk heritage. Expected on Nike.com in August.